focused and my eyes is on the ball. Lastly is on the IBC. Was there a question on IBC? Yes. On IBC, will we have enough funds in 2027 to have election? You know, we have no choice. We must have elections in 2027. And even the by-elections. So we have to look for, realign our budgets. There is provision of money. I know IBC is complaining, but we're also telling IBC they must be efficient. The cost of election in this country is too high. So they must be efficient. There are things that we are, you know, we did this with examination. We got a list from the ministry initially, from Kenya National Examination Council, honorable members, to approve for national examination. And the Kenyans, when people were making noise, we have not provided money. We were doing a lot of work on the background. And we rejected that list. It was over 6 billion for items. Later, that has since been revised to below 4 billion. We have almost like saved 50%. Just by asking tough questions around administration of examination. There are things that we bought, surveillance camera last year. Then again we are asked to buy surveillance. We are asked, but we had surveillance cameras last year in the last examination. So even the IBC, we are going to ask IBC questions. There are things that you buy and you don't dispose immediately. Why do you buy them in every election cycle? Electoral cycle, you want new things. Even ballot boxes. These things, even though they looked, who is fighting with them? Why must they be bought every election? So a lot of things a lot of savings can be realized, and we will realize it, and we will run our elections in 2027 with the time required, and I don't think there will be any hitch. Thank you.
Mheshimiwa Loka.
Thank you, Chair. I would like to pronounce myself CS.